Welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Bruce and I'm here with Stacy. How are you doing, Stacy? Are you starting to feel the holiday vibe?
I really am. And honestly, it feels a bit unreal. Time has flown by so fast. If I think back to the same time last year, I never imagined we'd grow into such a big, successful podcast with so many listeners joining us from around the world.
I feel the same way. This time of year really makes you pause and reflect. Everything's winding down, people are wrapping things up, and it's a nice moment to appreciate how far we've come.
It's mid-December now, that time of year when everything feels a little different. The year is slowing down, holidays are around the corner, and conversations start to feel warmer and more relaxed.
Amazing. Let's get into today's topic. Today, we're talking about how to talk about the holiday season naturally in English, especially during mid-December, when people are wrapping things up, making plans, and getting into a festive mood.
You'll hear these kinds of conversations everywhere right now, at work, with friends, with neighbors, and even online.
Let's start with one of the most common things people say in mid-December. You'll often hear questions like, "So, are you getting into the holiday spirit? Does it feel like the end of the year already? Can you believe how fast this year went?" These are very natural, friendly conversation starters.
And simple replies work perfectly. Things like, "Yeah, it really flew by. I know it doesn't feel real. It's been a long year, honestly. Time just disappeared." No pressure, no long answers needed.
Now let's talk about holiday plans, because that's a big topic right now. People might ask, do you have any plans for the holidays? Are you traveling anywhere? Are you spending the holidays with family? And if your plans are simple, that's totally fine.
You can say, "I'm keeping it low-key this year. Nothing big, just relaxing. I'll probably stay home and rest, just spending time with family."
And if you do have plans, you can share them casually. I'm going to visit family for a few days. I'm traveling for a short break. We're planning a small get-together. Notice how relaxed all of this sounds. Holiday English is usually softer, slower, and more friendly.
Now let's talk about work and end-of-year conversations, because this comes up a lot in mid-December. You might hear things like, "Things are slowing down a bit now. It's been a busy year." Just trying to wrap things up before the holidays.
And you can reply with, "Same here. Yeah, it's been intense. I'm counting down a little. Almost there." Short reactions are totally normal. Let's put this into a real natural conversation.
Can you believe it's already mid-December?
I know. This year went so fast.
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Nothing big, just taking it easy. You?
Same. I think I really need the break.
Yeah, me too. That's it. Simple, warm, very natural.
All right, let's practice together. Say these out loud, slowly and comfortably. It doesn't feel real. I'm keeping it low-key this year. Just trying to wrap things up. I could really use a break.
Nice. That already sounds natural.
Here's your small challenge for today. The next time you talk to someone this week, try using one holiday season phrase from today's episode.
That's it. Just one sentence. Remember this, and this is important. You don't need perfect English to connect with people. You just need calm, clear, honest words.
Every small conversation you have right now is practice, and every bit of practice is progress, even if it doesn't feel big. You're doing better than you think.
And before we wrap up, a quick reminder. We release new full episodes every Monday and Shadow English practice episodes every Wednesday on all audio platforms.
So make sure you're following the show. There's a lot more coming your way.
Thanks for spending part of your December with us. We'll see you in the next episode. And as always, keep talking naturally.